Welcome class 2 children to your English text online class. Children, in our English Alive coursework, we were doing lesson 4, which is a poem, Hello, Hello. Let us today do the question answers of this poem. Children, before we do the question answers of this poem, Hello, Hello, let us discuss this once again. Hello, Hello is the poem about the friendship between the animals. This poem is a very interesting poem about fun, or you can say enjoyment, which frogs they are having in the pool or in the pond, you can say. So, children, like you all have fun, in the same way, animals also have fun and they too have friends. This poem, it is written by L.M. Alcott, and we'll find out how the frogs they play in the pool and they have fun. Hello, hello. Here the frogs they are calling their friends. Hello, hello, come down below. Means they are calling their friends who are sitting above on the rocks to come down in the pool to have fun. It's lovely and cool. What they are saying? The pool water here is very cool and it is very pleasant, very lovely here in the pond, out here in the pool, on a lily pad float. So, what the frog is saying here? He is saying that we will sit here, we will float here on the lily pad. Lily pad is the large leaf that floats in the large leaf of the lily plant that floats in the pond or in the pool. So the frogs they are calling their friends to come down there in the pool and have fun in the cool water. On the lily pad they will float for a nice green boat, and this floating lily pad will be a very nice green boat for them. It will be like a nice green boat for them. Here we sit and sing, and what else we will do? We'll sit on this lily pad and we will sing here in a pleasant ring. Pleasant ring means in a very lovely tune or tone, or leap frog play. And what else we can do? We will float, we will sing, and what else will these frogs will do? They will play a leap game, means they will jump and have fun. Frogs they have tendency, they have habit of jumping around. So what else they will do? They will also jump in the pool. Like you can see in the picture, a frog there is jumping there from the lily pad in the jolliest way. So how they will jump? They will jump in a happy way, in a jolliest, in the happiest way. Our games have begun. Come join in the fun. So the frogs they are saying that don't delay. The fun has already begun and come and join us. Got it? Now let us do the question answers. Children, these are the word meanings of this poem which we did in our previous video. Let us revise them. Poem, Hello, Hello. Poet, L.M. Alcott or Louisa May Alcott. Then the words are pool means pond, lovely means pleasant, enjoyable means lovely, or you can say pleasant means enjoyable. Both these words they have same meaning. Lovely means enjoyable and even pleasant means enjoyable. Then leap to jump, jolliest means happiest, begin means started, and lily pad a floating leaf of a lily. Now look at the question answers. Question answers are framed separately. You will not copy them from your book. You will write from here. The first question is, name the poet of this poem. Louisa May Alcott is the poet of this poem, or you can write L.M. Alcott is the poet of this poem. Next is, what is the poem Hello, Hello about? The poem Hello, Hello is about how the frogs play in the pool. Where is it lovely and cool? It is lovely and cool in the pool. What are the frogs calling a nice green boat? The frogs are calling a nice green boat to the lily pad. How do the frogs play leap game? The frogs play leap frog in the jolliest way. How do the frogs play leapfrog? The frogs play leapfrog in the jolliest way. What has begun? The games have begun. Means the games they have started. Now here are few words to frame sentences of. The first one is lovely. Like you can say, the weather is lovely today. The painting is very lovely. My doll is very lovely. Okay. Then lily pad, the frog was sitting on the lily pad. Or you can say the lily pad is floating in the pool. Then pleasant, for pleasant also you can write the weather is very pleasant today. Then fun, the children were having fun in the park. The frogs were having fun in the pool. Then green you can say my favorite color is green. I bought a green dress for my birthday. So in this way you'll use these words to frame sentences of your own. That's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.